grade students, and welcome to this week's online video lesson. Today our focus is going to be all about the violin strings. I'm going to show you what the strings look like, we're going to listen to what they sound like, and I'm going to teach you what they're called. So let's get started. As you can see by looking at my violin, there are 4 strings. And if you're really observant, you'll notice the string furthest to the left is the thickest. And as you go to the right, each string gets a little bit thinner and thinner until you get to the thinnest string on the right. I even drew a picture of the strings on the board right behind me, and you'll see I tried to draw the string furthest to the left, the thickest, and each one going down gets thinner and thinner. So students, if you had to make a prediction, which string do you think would sound the highest? Do you think one of the thicker strings will sound the highest or the thinner strings? If you guessed the thin strings, then you're correct. As a matter of fact, this string furthest to the right is the highest string on the violin. And one way that you can think about it is it's sort of like with instruments. Smaller instruments, they tend to have a higher pitch, whereas larger instruments tend to have a lower pitch. So smaller, thinner strings will also have a higher pitch, and thicker strings are going to have a lower pitch. Anyways, let's listen to the strings and see what they sound like and learn what they're called. And we'll start with this highest string, the thin string. I'll pluck it for you once on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. A very lovely high sound. This note is called E, and we call this the E string. Here, I'll pluck it again so you can hear it. And this time, while I pluck it, on the count of 3, I want you to say the letter E at the same time that I pluck the note. And see if you can say the letter E at the same exact time that I play the note. Are you ready? On the count of 3, let's say E. 1, 2, 3. E. Did you get it at the right time? Let's go on to the next note. Are you ready? This note here, I'll play it for you once. 1, 2, 3. That note is called the A string because it plays the note A. Can you say the letter A on the count of 3? Ready? 1, 2, 3. A. How was your timing? Did you get it right? Good work. Let's go on to the next one. 1, 2, 3. This note, the 3rd string in, it is called the D string because it plays the note D. Now I have to admit, the D string is actually my favorite note on the violin. I think it's because when I listen to it, it has a really nice mellow sound. See what you think. Let's go ahead and say D one more time together on the count of 3 here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. D. Did you hear that nice mellow tone? It's a really beautiful string. Okay, you must be excited to learn what the last string is called. This is not only the lowest string on the violin, it's the lowest note that the violin ever plays. Ready to listen? 1, 2, 3. If you like low-pitch instruments, you must really love the sound of that string. This string is called the G string. Of course, because it plays the note G. So on the count of 3, can you please say G? Ready? 1, 2, 3. G. Good work. Let's go through all the notes one more time, from highest to lowest. I'll count to 3 and strum the note while you and I say the letter names out loud. Ready? So starting on E. Let's say it. 1, 2, 3. E. Next note, 1, 2, 3. A. Next note, 1, 2, 3. D. Last note, 1, 2, 3. G. Good work. I know. Let's try it one more time. Only this time, I will only strum the notes and I won't say the letters. See if you can get the letters right, even though I'm not saying them. Again, we're going from highest to lowest. Use the board if you need to for a tip. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Did you get it? Good job. Now, let's try going in the opposite direction. I will start with G, and we'll go all the way up to the highest note, E, right in order. I'll strum the notes. You say the letter names. Ready? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How did it go? Did you get the notes? Nice work. Now, I have a very special song that I want to teach you today. The purpose of this song is to help you memorize the notes, the strings on the violin. So, this song is called the Elephant Song. And here's the rhythm for the Elephant Song. I bet you've learned in one of your other music classes so far this year what this symbol is called. Do you know? It's called a quarter note. And a quarter note gets one beat of sound. How about this one? Do you remember what that symbol is called? If you guess quarter rest, you're correct. A quarter rest also gets one beat, only instead of being a beat of sound, it's one beat of silence. So remember, notes, you always make sound. For rests, you always keep silent. So the rhythm we have up here is ta, 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 sh. Can you try it? Ready? Go. Ta, 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 sh. Nice work, students. Now, the notes for the Elephant Song go like this. E, 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 sh. A, sh. D, 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 sh. G, 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 sh. Okay, I'm going to play these notes, and while I'm playing them, see if you can say the letter names along. I'll step a bit to the side so that you can see the board well. Ready? So we're going to start at the beginning. Say the letters while I play them. 1, 2, ready? Say the notes. E, 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 sh. A, sh. D, 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 sh. G, 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 sh. Good work. Now, when you were listening to it, could you notice? Do the notes go from low to high or high to low? If you guessed high to low, then you guessed correctly. Now, some of you might be wondering, why on earth is this called the Elephant Song? And it has to do with the lyrics of the song. So, let me sing it for you. 1, 2, here's the words. Elephants, elephants, elephants are eating all the ants, ants, ants that are digging in the dirt, 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 deep into the ground, ground, ground. So students, can anybody tell why these are the lyrics to the song rather than, I don't know, why is it about elephants and not giraffes, for instance? Or ants and not ladybugs, for instance? Can you see the connection between the notes and the words? You may have noticed that the first letter of each of these special words is the same as the name of the note the string plays. And that is how the elephant song helps you to learn the notes. Anyways, let me play it for you one time so that you can hear how the words sound when the words and the violin are played at the same time. Ready? Elephants, elephants, elephants are eating all the ants, ants, ants that are digging in the dirt, 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 deep into the ground, ground, ground. See if you can sing along. Ready? 1, 2, let's sing together. Elephants, elephants, elephants are eating all the ants, ants, ants that are digging in the dirt, 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 deep into the ground, ground, ground. So hopefully you can see how the lyrics to that song really helps you to memorize the names of the notes. Well, students, that concludes our video lesson for today. Now, after you watch this video, check out on Google Classroom the assignment because I have a little mini quiz to go along with this video. Now, these quizzes that I make, they're not for a grade. They're mostly just to test your knowledge and help you to become a better musician. So, go ahead, check out the assignment section and check out the quiz. I hope you have fun and feel free to watch this video as many times as you like. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, whatever is fun for you. Anyway, students, have a great week and I'll see you next time.